Most serious falls happen in the bathroom. Standard bathrooms and bathtubs aren't built to accommodate our changing needs as we age. Freedom showers are specifically designed for easy access showering and have become the industry standard for barrier-free bathrooms. Tens of thousands of people trust Freedom showers to provide them with safe and independent bathing. There are 3 categories of Freedom showers. Freedom accessible showers are for your home and transform your bathroom to be wheelchair accessible. Freedom Easy Step showers are also for residential bathrooms. These showers feature a low step-over threshold and other accessible friendly features. Freedom ADA showers are ideal for commercial barrier-free bathrooms when it's important to comply with ADA guidelines. Freedom showers all have a 30-year warranty. These sturdy showers feature full wall backing, easily accommodating shower accessories such as grab bars even after the shower has been installed. Visit us online at freedomshowers.com to find the information to help you determine which is the right Freedom shower for you. Our team of knowledgeable customer service professionals want to help you find the right accessibility solutions for your home. Please call us at 1-877-947-7769.